Hey guys, thanks for joining me again. In this video, we're going to be going over the package manager of Ubuntu, or how to manage the packages that you have installed or that you want to install. So how we do this is through a program called apt-get. So in Terminal, if you type apt-get, that is the program that we are going to use to install applications. If you follow this with the term install, this is the action that we want apt-get to perform. And then the file that we want this action performed on is, for this video, going to be Bluefish, which is a text editor that I don't want installed, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to install it. Now, if you hit enter, you're going to notice it's going to tell you that you do not have permission to use that program. So again, this is where sudo comes into play. So sudo bang bang, hit enter. Then it's going to show us that, well, for me, for this system, it says these weren't automatically installed and we don't need them. Down here we see the following extra packages will be installed, and it's going to install Bluefish Data and Bluefish Plugins, which are two different packages that Bluefish needs. And it will also tell us how much will be downloaded and how much space will be used on the disk after the application is installed. So we're going to type Y for yes and hit enter. Now it's going to connect to the repositories of Ubuntu. So while it does that, I'm going to explain what that means. So Ubuntu has repositories set up that have indexes and package files, and it has indexes of those package files. So this allows us to run the command apt-get and install packages from the repositories. Now there are some programs that aren't in the repositories, and we'll go over those in a moment. For the sake of this specific action, Bluefish is in the repositories, and I knew the name of the package that I wanted to install before I ran the command. So I could just type sudo apt-get install Bluefish, and this installs Bluefish to my computer. And when this completes, I can now hit the super key and type in Bluefish. It hasn't found it yet. I forgot there is a bug with this version of Ubuntu where the dash isn't always updated. If I type in Bluefish from the terminal, we can see that I've got Bluefish installed. So that's how you install programs. Now, let's say we want to remove a program. We do that in a very similar way. I'm going to type sudo apt-get remove Bluefish. So with this command, we're using the program apt-get. The action we're performing is remove, and the action is the package that action is performed on is Bluefish. I'm going to type Y for yes. I do want to uninstall this. And it's going to uninstall the package. What if we want to install a program and we're not sure of the exact name of it?